Roof edges lifting in high winds can seriously mess up your whole roofing setup, so you gotta make sure they're locked down tight before the storm hits. Alright, so first off, you want to check those roof edges regularly, especially before windy seasons. Use extra fasteners like screws or nails designed for high wind resistance. Don't just rely on what's already there. Adding metal edge strips along the perimeter helps keep things from peeling up like a bad sticker. Make sure the metal strips are nailed every few inches so the wind doesn't get a grip. If you find any loose shingles or damaged flashing, fix or replace those as soon as possible. Also, caulking around edges can add extra hold and keep water from sneaking in. If you're not super handy, calling in a pro to do a wind-resistant upgrade on your roof edges can save you big headaches later. And remember, proper ventilation under the roof deck matters too, because trapped air can push on edges from below during storms. One of the biggest mistakes with roof edges lifting in high winds is using too few fasteners. Just relying on the original nails won't cut it when strong gusts hit, so adding more screws or nails made for wind resistance fixes that. Another common problem is skipping the metal edge strips. Without those, the wind gets under shingles easier, so installing metal strips nailed securely along all edges really helps. Third, ignoring damaged flashing or loose shingles near edges lets water and wind weaken your roof structure. Swapping out those damaged parts and sealing edges with good caulking stops this issue. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress and guesswork. It also helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making it easier for both sides to get the job done right.